welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just so excited to be back because I'm so sorry for my lack in content because of the fact that I was sick. I've been sick for, I would say, the past 1 week. It was terrible, but I'm so happy to be back. And today I'm going to be sharing my what I eat in a day video, but this one is going to be for the summer, guys. You guys know when it's summer, we all want to look fit, we all want to feel good, and of course I'm starting with my infused water. Like, there is nothing as summery as having your infused water, guys. I have my fruits, I have my veggies, and then I have kind of my mint leaf in here. And you guys, this is so good. Like, you need your hydration when it comes to summer. So let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Alright guys, so let's just start with breakfast. And this morning, I'm gonna be starting with my oatmeal. I'm gonna be starting with kind of a quicker oats, and of course I'm going ahead to, it's a very fast, very easy breakfast, guys. So basically I think of whatever fruit I want to eat with my oats, and of course I already added my milk in the pot, added a pinch of salt, and now I'm gonna go in and just add my oats. And this oats cooked very fast, like under 3 to 5 minutes is ready. So I just go ahead and cover it up, and this is my oats, guys. And when it comes to the summer, when it comes to a very quick, easy breakfast, guys, of course my Quaker oats is always my go-to. And of course I'm gonna go ahead and just jazz it up. I love to add some cinnamon, some honey, and then over here I'm adding some yogurt, guys. Please try this. Like, if you're looking for a very fast, healthy breakfast, definitely try this. I love eating my oats with some yogurt and then some fruits. Just add up everything and you go ahead and start eating. This literally takes me less than 10 minutes to do, and it's so healthy. Whether you're working for that summer body or just eating in general, it's always good to keep a healthy lifestyle. And this is where our sponsor for today's video comes in, Noom. And Noom is a digital health platform that helps me get in tune with my body, especially in the area of health and wellness. You guys know that dieting for weight loss is okay, but remember, food isn't the only thing that causes weight gain. Noom helps me understand how my body works through my everyday lifestyle. They are very much into behavioral changes. So they work with a combination of human coaches, psychology, and science to empower people to take control of their own health. Basically, guys, keeping a healthy lifestyle actually helps us. Like, it makes it so much easier. So now it's not only just about losing weight. It has so many benefits, guys. Like, it's able to kind of break down your lifestyle for you and make it so much easier for you to understand how certain things happen. They kind of hold your hand on the process, and of course they have life coaches who are there to help you with your journey. And also they have different courses. They actually work with psychology and social science. So definitely check my description box for all the info regarding Noom. And of course, guys, usually brunch starts at 11:30, 12, because usually, like, whenever I have my breakfast early, of course, towards the early afternoon, I start feeling hungry. So basically, you guys know that corn is in session, like, is in season. This is summer, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil up some corn. We absolutely love corn, and like, I love corn a lot, guys. So basically I just put some milk and butter inside my pot. This right here, my sister-in-law actually taught me how to cook this type of corn, and oh my gosh, what a difference. Like, guys, try this out. Just try this out and let me know what you think. And I just go ahead and cook my corn, and here we are. I'm just gonna relax and have my brunch, aka snack. Honestly, guys, I'm taking advantage of all the foods in season. Like, my supermarkets, it's been so long I saw yam, in their store. So I went recently, and I saw yam, so of course you guys, I have to, like, I picked up few yams, and for lunch I'm gonna be having some yam and vegetable. And basically I just love to boil my yam with a touch of sugar, guys. Like, I don't know, I just picked this up when I used to visit my auntie in Lagos, and she used to boil her yam with what is it called, with sugar. So I just learned that. But anyways, you guys, I just put the yam on, you know, to cook. And over here I'm gonna go ahead and just slice up my vegetable. I'm using some kale, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slice up some onion. This vegetable, guys, I love my vegetable to be this kale actually reminds me so much of ugu leaf. You know, if you're Nigerian, that is exactly how it like, you know, it looks. And I'm kind of doing jiagwara, but with kind of a touch. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimps. You can use fish, you can use meat, you can use chicken, anything you want, guys. But with this particular recipe, I absolutely love making it with some shrimps. And of course I'm gonna go ahead and blend up my pepper. I love to use some yellow and also some red bell pepper. And to make the vegetable, all you want to do is to go ahead and add some palm oil inside your frying pan. You guys know palm oil is actually more healthier than vegetable oil, and for this particular yam, I love to make it with palm oil. So basically I just add up my palm oil, onion, and then I go ahead and add the pepper. And once the pepper is kind of dried, I go ahead and add my shrimps. And of course you guys saw that I already seasoned the shrimps. Like, you just want to season it up very, very well so it doesn't have that kind of earthy taste to it. So basically once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and season it up, add my salt, and then I'm gonna add the vegetable. Once you add it, you want to go ahead and give it a very nice stir, so that way all the ingredients, everything would be, you know, well separated inside the vegetable. And that is basically it, you guys. Like, my yam is ready now, my vegetable is ready, and it's kind of yam and vegetable side. So as you all can see, I went ahead and served my yam and then with the shrimp vegetable. Oh my gosh, guys, like, you need to try this recipe because it's so good. And the two reasons I know, you know, that it's very, very good to boil your yam with some sugar, because it gives it that very nice sweet taste, like as if you're eating sweet potatoes, but not, you know how sometimes sweet potatoes can be too sugary, but this right here is just perfect. Like, it's perfect, especially when you're dealing with some old yam. I absolutely love this particular yam because it's old, you know how new yam can be very, very annoying, but this one, I just love it. You guys, one thing about me with summer is just that perfect season to eat so many things that you haven't eaten in a while. And today for dinner, I'm gonna be making some coconut rice. And basically, you guys, as you can see, I'm just gonna quickly season up my chicken. I'm using some drumsticks, and you know, I will add up my seasonings and also add some barbecue sauce, mix everything together, toss it inside my air fryer, guys. Oh, I absolutely, like, if you watched my Amazon favorites, I shared, you know, some new products I got, and this air fryer have been a lifesaver. I absolutely just like, I enjoy, you know, making my chicken in an air fryer because it's less of a stress. You just toss it in there, put it inside the air fryer, and it basically kind of cooks your chicken for you. I just love the way it makes my chicken look, you know. It gives it that very nice barbecue feel without it being too much. I don't know how to explain it, but anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just set my air fryer to the level I wanted, and then over here I'm gonna go ahead and just dry up I blended some tomato and pepper and also onion. So I basically went ahead and dried that out, just took out some because it was a lot. And then over here I'm adding up my coconut milk. They sell this at any supermarket, guys. Oh, coconut rice, I just love the way it smells. I love the way it tastes. So once I go ahead and do that, I just cover it up to simmer, and I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. And for my coconut rice, I love to add a little bit of crayfish. As you all can see, it gives it that very nice smell. Just make sure that it's well seasoned up. I'm going to add some pepper, some chicken bouillon, and also I went ahead and washed my rice. You want to parboil your kind of parboil water and then wash your rice. And over here I just added my rice inside the sauce, stir it up very well, cover it for maybe 10-15 minutes, and your rice is basically ready, guys. And of course, for the side, I'm making some broccoli. So I just seasoned up my broccoli, toss it inside the air fryer, and that is basically it, guys. We have our coconut rice with some chicken and also broccoli for dinner. And this right here, you need to taste it. But yep, guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to check my description box for all the info regarding Noom, and please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy. And yeah, that's my summer body, guys. But yeah, guys, till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.